Hello everyone, welcome to Analog IAS. Today we are going to discuss about fundamental duties. These are inspired by the Constitution of erstwhile USSR. Based on Swaran Singh Committee, the Government of India enacted 42nd Constitutional Amendment Act 1976 to add a new part, that is Part 4A and Article 51A. There are 11 fundamental duties. We need to remember some keywords of these fundamental duties as they are frequently asked in the prelims. Some of the key phrases are respecting national flag and national anthem, upholding and protecting sovereignty, unity and integrity of India, promoting harmony and spirit of common brotherhood, preserving the rich heritage of our culture, protecting the national environment, scientific temper, humanism and spirit of inquiry, and to provide opportunities for education to his child between the age of 6 to 14 years. Now let us see some of the features of fundamental duties. Fundamental duties, some of them are moral duties and the other are civic duties. For example, cherishing noble ideals of freedom struggle is a moral duty, whereas respecting constitution, national flag and national anthem is a civic duty. Next, unlike some of the fundamental rights, the fundamental duties are confined to citizens only and do not extend to foreigners. Also, fundamental duties are non-justiciable. That is, there is no legal sanction against their violation. But they are enforceable by law. That is, Parliament can provide for the imposition of appropriate penalty or punishment for the failure to fulfill any one of them. Also, some of the recommendations of Swaran Singh Committee are not incorporated in the Constitution, like duty to pay taxes, penalty or punishment for non-compliance of observing duties, and no law imposing such penalty or punishment shall be called in question in any court on the ground of infringement of any of fundamental rights. Also, Verma Committee identified the existence of legal provisions for implementation of some of the fundamental duties. They are Indian Penal Code, Representation of Peoples Act 1951, Wildlife Protection Act 1972. Now let us see a previous year question based on this. Which of the following statements is or are true of the fundamental duties of an Indian citizen? Statement number 1. A legislative process has been provided to enforce these duties. This statement is false. As we discussed earlier, fundamental duties are non-justiciable. Statement number 2. They are correlative to legal duties. This is also false because fundamental duties are correlative to fundamental rights and not to legal duties. So the answer is D, neither one nor two. Thank you.